The YAMATIC 3400 PSI Pressure Pump offers a powerful cleaning solution with a pressure rating of 3,400 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute. Designed for residential use, this pump features a high-performance double-seal system that significantly reduces leakage and extends the pump's running time to 150 hours. Its compatibility with a wide range of gas power washers, including popular brands like Honda, Simpson, and Karcher, makes it a versatile choice for many users. The pump includes an adjustable unloader, allowing users to fine-tune the pressure to match their specific engine requirements, enhancing both performance and safety. YAMATIC's Easy Start system and pre-filled gasoline design ensure a hassle-free setup, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users. With additional features such as a thermal relief valve to prevent overheating and a robust construction, this pump is built to handle demanding cleaning tasks efficiently.